Hey guys, how are you? So just getting back into a little bit of fitness work. Just been injured for the last month or so, or trying to recover from an injury. But it made me realise, or just reminded me I should say, how similar it is to your finances in the sense of when you don't look after yourself fully in your finances, it becomes really frustrating because it stops you from going ahead faster. You're not going to get to where you need to be as quickly as you'd like to, and it becomes really frustrating when we don't manage our money probably as well as we should. So it's like doing a financial health check, just making sure that you're on track, doing the right things, and it's the same with your health and your fitness and your well-being. So just a reminder, make sure you check in, you're reassessing your finances regularly. Touch base with us. More than happy to have a look and have a chat and keep you on track. To make sure that we're doing the right things, okay? Otherwise, what happens is we become injured, or we hit a crisis point, something happens, and then we've got to reassess, and we could have fixed it a lot earlier. So it's good to do that along the way, especially with your finances. Okay, guys, take care. Speak with you soon. Ciao.